Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the language in the WhatsApp app on your PC with the latest update. Whether you're switching to a new language for convenience or just want to explore WhatsApp in a different language, it's a super simple process. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's launched, you'll need to navigate to the settings. To do this, look at the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see a gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click on that icon to open the settings. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to select *General*. This is where you'll find most of the app's preferences, including the language settings. Now, look for the option that says *Language. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available languages that you can choose from. This list includes multiple languages, so whether you need English, Spanish, French, or any other language, you should be able to find it here. After selecting your preferred language, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm it, and just like that, WhatsApp will switch to your selected language. And that's it. Your WhatsApp on PC is now in the language of your choice. The change takes effect immediately, so you'll see everything, from messages to menu options, in your new language. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tips and tutorials.